We want to convert 2.6 meters cubed into centimeters cubed. A sketch of a cuboid can help. Let's make this cuboid 2.6 meters long by 1 meter wide by 1 meter high. The volume then would be 2.6 times 1 times 1, which is 2.6 meters cubed. This is the volume we want to convert. We want to convert to centimeters cubed. 2.6 meters is 260 centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So in centimeters, the volume is 260 times 100 times 100. Calculating this, we get 2 6 and 5 zeros, which is 2,600,000 centimeters cubed. We can always use a method like this to convert units.